Hey, good day, guys. So for today, we have another fix. Okay. So for this building, it actually looks quite simple, but we have a complicated area here, and also for this one and this one. So actually, this is kind of tricky to fix. Why? Because they have different heights here and here. So if you try to draw this as one building only, you won't be able to fix this one. So let's try to fix or let's try to repair. Guys, for this, I suggest, again, when drawing different height buildings, we need to start from the highest. As you see, so we have a small discrepancy here. We have a small issue. So that is why the previous labeler was not able to match them properly because of the difference in height. Okay, so after we're done matching, um, okay, see? If we try to capture this area, we won't be able to match here also. So I think this is correct. Always you should prioritize the first panel that will match with your base. Okay. So like this, if we try to pull, so this area won't match our base. So always prioritize the panel that will match with your base, such as this. We can extend our panel later on from here, from this area. So let's try to draw the ridge. So we can try to capture this sections by sections. So when labeling again, take your time. You might have snapping issues if you try to rush. Okay, so we are done. And let's try to capture this one. Okay, so use, uh, oh, forgot to use H. Delete this one and try hold out to adjust the height. So we can draw this as one building because of this it has one panel here. So I think the height is uniform in this area. Yes. Oh, see, there's a slight difference in height. That is why the labeler was not able to match them properly. Okay, so next we draw this part here. Draw an assist line. It will serve as a guide for your panels. Connect. Okay, so we capture it like this, and you'll just use the auto fix later. Snap. Hmm. Try to adjust. Small adjustment. Close, and let's try to use the auto fix function. So let's close this part first. Oh, also again. Uh, Group and then press F4. Hopefully this will fix this area. Okay, so yeah, we fixed this area, but we all we need to do is to just uh, adjust this. Okay, so like so, and okay, capture this missing panel right here. Insert, and we can just use auto fix later. Okay, let's go to this part. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Guys, for this one, for how you can draw this, this is how to properly draw this kind of structure, okay? So first, you need to make an imaginary assist line, again, assist line, a square assist line. Make sure that it's connected with this panel. You need to draw a box or a square. So, so again, this will serve as an anchor point or a snapping point for your panels. And it will just it will just snap with your this panel here. And yeah, yeah, so you have a base. You already have a base, and you can capture it like so. And the top portion. Oh, and let's try to check other views first. We haven't checked other views. So this one. Yeah, I think it's correct. Yeah, so group, and then let's try to use F4. So this panel will just merge. These two panels will just merge because it has the same uh, direction or same length, same. Yeah. So yeah, we did it. So actually, again, we can when you can match angles. So there's a possibility that there is a height difference. So let's try to finish this one. So this should be an easy fix. Draw it like so and close. And lastly, this area right here. So this is an extension. We just extend and uh, draw the base. Okay. But this one, we need to uh, move. Okay. So try to draw the base H and just, okay. Again. So H. Wait. So we can just insert this and again, rely on our AutoFix to fix the layers below. So let's try to use AutoFix function. So group, and we are done. So yeah, for this guys, it's fine if you have small purple areas. Small purple panels can be ignored, no problem. So let's try, or you can just try again. If AutoFix won't work, then it's fine. As long that it's small and you know that you draw the building correctly. So it's fine. Okay, so yeah. And let's draw our uh, what to call this one? Our corners, sorry. Like so. Hmm. So, okay, let's use this area. Hmm. Hmm. We don't have okay, so let's try this one. insert, then we don't have, okay, so yeah, draw it like this. And the chimney. So again, drawing chimneys, it's better to draw it separately or outside of the main building. Uh, you can just try to adjust after you uh, place it at its proper location and copy copy the base, press 6 and group F4. And now we were able to fix this kind of error. So hope you can learn from this video. Thank you guys.